Necessary. People against Datwan Derek Augusta Ali, 22B 1408578. Your name again, sir?
Datwan Derek Augusta
Ms.
Ali.
Patillo? Ms. Patillo, your name?
Dion Patillo, P82378 on behalf of Mr. Augusta Ali.
Ms. Tessino, your name? Raise your right hand, Ms. Tessino. So we're going to proceed on all of these. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury that the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, I have had no contact with Mr. Ali since March of 2023. I just kind of flipping through the file. I do have proof that he completed the victim impact panel. But beyond that, it doesn't look like he completed anything else. He never enrolled for the class with PERS.
Morning, Ms. Patillo.
And he never reported, for testing, to even enroll, but he never tested positive for babies.
All right. And he did not provide proof. Let me just go through. And you don't have proof that he completed the alcohol treatment program, correct? The alcohol education program?
Alcohol education. I just want to flip back because I do have proof of 8 hours, but it looks like you. Trying to see if you gave additional hours. So I have proof of 8 hours that you ordered at sentencing, but I do not have proof of the 8 hours that you ordered as a result of a violation on October 11th of 22.
All right. And he didn't show up for chemical testing on February 6th of 23. And he didn't provide proof of completing the 8 hours of community service by February 10 of 23. And he didn't pay his fines and costs as he was ordered to. And he didn't provide proof of attending and completing an alcohol education program level 2, correct? He didn't appear for probation on March 2 of 23 with his appointment with you, correct?
Correct.
Any questions of her, Ms. Patillo?
Yes, Mr. Augusta Ali, do you have a certificate at home showing that you completed the alcohol education?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and in terms of the chemical testing, did you register?
No, ma'am. But I told you I got my rehab certificate and everything from completing rehab.
But did you register for the chemical testing?
No, ma'am.
Okay, and in terms of your fines and costs, was there a tax intercept for $1,200?
It was between $100 and $200, $1,200, or it was $975 to $1,200. I got the paper at home with the receipt from Woodhaven Court.
So you still have a balance that you need to pay?
Yeah, I believe so. Probably like $100 or $200.
Okay, and then did you report to probation for a probation visit on March 2nd, 2023?
I had so many deaths in the family, I couldn't really tell you. I told you I take care of my grandparents and everything, so I really don't remember.
So if you did fail to appear, was it because you had some family issues?
Yeah.
Okay, Your Honor, I don't have any further questions.
Your tax garnishment was issued sometime around May of this year, correct?
Yes, sir.
Did you ever call when your grandparents had this issue on March 2nd and schedule your appointment?
I could take full accountability. It's all on me. It's my.
Wait a minute. Did I swear him in?
Oh, I thought you were talking. I'm sorry.
Did I swear him in?
I don't think so, Your Honor.
I don't either. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury. Put your hand up, sir. If he's going to testify, you want him to testify, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You solemnly swear affirm the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got. Yes or no, sir?
Yes.
So you can put your hand down. So you're telling me you went to the alcohol education program?
No, I didn't. I didn't say I completed the assessment.
And you're telling me that your grandparents were ill on March the 2nd of 23, which is why you didn't report.
Been ill for years, yes, sir.
And you're telling, hang on, just let me finish. And
Yes,
you
sir.
didn't pay your fines and costs as you were ordered to, correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm correct?
Yes, sir.
You didn't provide proof of completing your 8 hours community service by February 10 of 23, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you didn't enroll in monthly chemical testing as ordered on February 6 of 23, correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm right?
Yes, sir.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Any argument, any other questions of him, Ms. Patillo? I'm sorry, Ms. Tassino.
So you're-
Do you have any other questions of him, Ms. Patillo?
No, Your Honor.
Hello?
Wait 1 second, man. All right. Any argument at all, Ms. Patillo?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Augusta Ali did indicate to me that he's had some deaths in the family. His grandparents are ill and he does care for them. He is employed at Bruce. He's been employed there for about a month, but prior to that, he was employed at Tech for 3 years. He doesn't have any children. I understand that there are other outstanding warrants, Your Honor. So in terms of the probation, I don't know if the court is going to close the probation out with time served. I would just ask, whatever the
Sure.
court does
What time
do,
did he-
take into
what time did
consideration
he
that
serve?
he is employed.
When did he serve?
He did serve 10 days.
Wow.
He served
Anything else you want to say, sir? You count the number of days, please.
I was just trying to see if I could do like house arrest or like an alcohol tender or whatever, because I completed probation and everything. I just need to be there for my grandparents and just make sure that they're all right. That's all.
Mr.
It looks like he gave him 1 day jail credit, I'm assuming with the night he served when he got arrested, and then he has a 4 day, well, technically, he has 2 days jail credit for court work, 1 credit for a community service day, and then you gave him 10 days.
On top of those,
Yep, on top of those, you
so he
gave.
served 14 days. When was he picked up? Detective?
Your Honor, he was brought in, it's dated the 12th today.
Where were you picked up, sir?
Livonia traffic stop. My buddy was driving. We were just getting off of work, and I was just being honest and gave the officer my first and last name, and that's why I'm here now.
You went out and got another zero tolerance drunk driving, so to speak, as a minor right after this, after you failed to show up. That's bad.
Yeah, that's bad.
Let me just finish.
Yes, sir.
You don't get to do this. You don't get to do this. You got warrants out for your arrest. Let's see. 1 out of Southgate, 1 out of Westland, 1 out of Mount Pleasant, 1 out of Taylor, another out of Taylor, and another out of Taylor. I don't know what you're thinking, sir. How old are you now?
I just turned 22.
You better reevaluate, because you probably got, if you take care of yourself at all, another 55, 65 years. If you're going to go through your life acting like a criminal, it's going to cost you. I don't know why anyone would think at any time that they don't have to show up for a court date. That's just me. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we've gotten to the point where people think it's a voluntary appearance. You made no effort here, and then you went out and committed another crime. Probation's revoked. You're to pay costs of $175 and serve 93 days, credit 15 for 78. If you pay $175, I will suspend 48 of the 78, and you'll only have to serve 30. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. You pay $175, you'll be out in 30. Otherwise, sir, You're gonna be in there for 78. You have 21 days to appeal and 14 days to apply. Boston, comedy, I don't know who the. James Robert McZouga, is he here? 25W836868A and B. I don't know who this gentleman is. Can somebody tell me? Your name, sir?
James Robert McZouga.
They're moving to dismiss.
Judge, if I can interrupt, Mr. Condrey should be in front of Judge Hessen.
Oh,
He's in the wrong courtroom.
okay. How do we get him over there? This gentleman that says Amy Wilhelm?
Yes, he's in that a warrant. It's a Judge Hessen case. He might want to flag down a deputy.
Flag down a deputy and you tell them, and we'll give you the sign, the code if you need. I mean, the Zoom ID. Mr. McZouga, he should have been a lawyer. Prosecutor's moving to dismiss, right?
Yes,
What is it, a marijuana case?
yes.
What
Yes,
kind?
Judge.
Why they write a marijuana charge?
I think you've been possession.
Oh, it's fentanyl.
Oh.
Does he know that he's,
I'm not,
Even where, what the drug, was alleged, in his possession, we did have that discussion, the prosecutor.
I need him to come in.
My client had other charges from essence, this is kind of a global resolution.
I need Mr. Urick in here, please.
yes, right.
Thank you. So I'm curious, he's just, if he thinks it's a bad case, but he's in possession of fentanyl, which he should have been charged with a felony. Is there a basis for this or just wanting to be a
I
early
think the
Christmas?
basis is in, a kind of a global resolution to his two.
I see.
Yes, yes.
So he pled in front of Judge Hessen on what?
Exactly.
On what?
Yes. I forget exactly what, but there was some other possession, another possession charge. I know there was a driving while license suspended, and was one other matter that was worked out.
All right. And Mr. Urick, your name?
William Urick on behalf of the city of Whitehaven, Your Honor.
You moved to dismiss it's actually possession of fentanyl. You know that, right?
I did not know that, Your Honor. I was able to understand that it was possession of marijuana.
Well, no, that prints out on the computer. You gotta be, all these computers, they're wonderful tools, but it's not marijuana. It says possession of fentanyl, observed walking in the road where it was dimly lit, suspected heroin / fentanyl. If you had, Mr. Crawford told me it's a global resolution with Judge Hessen. If you are comfortable still dismissing this because it pleas in front of her, that's your business. I just wanted to make sure you're aware it was fentanyl.
And I'm glad that the court is making us aware. Notwithstanding that, given the global resolution next door, Your Honor, if the court please, we would move to dismiss.
You gotta stay away from this stuff, son.
So there you go.
You kind of get,
Very intention.
no disrespect, you're a lot younger than I am, but you're kind of getting old for this junk, aren't you?
You all right, Your Honor?
I really wish you well. Maybe you need to talk about sobriety court, case dismissed, motion prosecutor. He still owes us money on the pedestrian violation. When's he gonna pay this?
My client can pay $100 a month starting December 1st.
Where do you work at? Do you work?
No, I have every intention to,
I didn't ask you. Do you work?
no, I don't.
Why not? What are you're
I have no
23, wait a minute, slow down. You're about 47. Hang on, slow down. You're 47 or 8, right?
Correct.
Why aren't you working? I mean, you're not collecting disability, are you? Are you under the influence right now? You're talking awful slow.
I'm just a little tired. I spent.
I'm tired too. We're always tired, but are you under the influence of something right now?
No, I'm not, Your Honor.
You try to explain to the court he's been in jail for the past 4 days.
You don't care.
Well, there's a snuff, well, so he's fatigued.
Come on, who do you want to kid? Me?
No, you're right.
I want to talk to you. Do you really think you're gonna fool me?
Your Honor, I'm not under the influence of anything.
Really? So you're gonna be glad to take a blood test right now if I send you for that, right? Right?
Right.
Did you have a stroke ever?
Pardon?
Did you ever have a stroke?
No, I really wouldn't know if I had one or not, to tell you the truth.
You're under the influence of something. Why are you telling me you're not? You didn't drive here.
What's up?
Shh. You didn't drive here, did you? How'd you get here?
My cousin drove me over here with my father's vehicle that was impounded.
Are they still here?
No.
How are you gonna get home?
Oh, I was hoping to get maybe a call out or I'll just walk 2 miles home.
If I see you drive or hear you driving a vehicle out of here, listen to me. I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna have them arrest you. I think you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs or both, probably drugs. I don't think there's any question. I'd bet my house against a cup of coffee if I got one of you. Now, I'm not taking a plea. I'm not the prosecutor. He made the decision to dismiss with you going down the hall and already pleading in front of Judge Hessen. But I'm telling you, you're gonna kill yourself. Do you have a wife or kids or anything?
My wife, she's almost about to die. Breast cancer, it spreads her bones.
How about you? You got any kids?
3 months.
How old are they?
18, 25, 26.
You want to just admit to me that you're under the influence, or do you want me to have to figure it out on my own?
Your Honor, I'm not under any anything at the moment. I'm upset now. I'm speaking about my wife. I can get that phone call any day.
I know, but
Then give her a time.
I know, but you're under the influence. You're talking like you're talking in slow motion. You follow me? I'm not trying to make you feel bad. You got to get off this junk. What's the pleas in front of Judge Hessen, Mr. Crawford?
I dare not try to quote it.
Well, it's got to be a drug charge, right?
Yes.
Okay, of course. It's not like having a sip of alcohol. You got 3 kids with your wife, right?
They're in Arizona at the time right now. I came back here a couple years ago to take care of my father. He had congestive heart. Didn't have the water.
Congestive heart failure.
The water builds up around the heart.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm no physician. I can't.
He's been in and out of the hospital for probably the last 4 years now. My mother, she passed away. I had a brother that actually died from an overdose.
Well, yeah. Why are you still doing this stuff? I tell this to my close friends. I say I go there. I see these people die, and they go to the funeral and see their friend in a casket. Then they go out and use opiates. I mean, it's the worst. I'd rather play Russian roulette than take opiates.
Man depressive disorder too. So I mean, I understand exactly where you're coming from here. I understand everything.
You're not driving.
No, not. I sort my right hand back up. I steered the country honorably.
I give you credit for that. Thank you. You did?
I will. Yes, I did.
In what branch?
Sorry.
And here yesterday was Veterans Day. I admire anybody that served in the service. I really do. I know. I mean,
The day I graduated basic training was the first day we started dropping bombs. 2003.
I wish you well. Case is dismissed on motion of the prosecutor. You're going to pay. How much do you want him to pay?
$40 every 2 weeks, Your Honor.
You pay 40 per week, every bi-weekly. Pay 40 bi-weekly beginning December 1. If you don't have the money, you come talk to me. I won't be an ogre. I'll give you all the time you need. Mr. McZouga. You weren't related to the councilman in any way, were you?
Yes, he was my uncle. He passed away
I know.
4 years ago.
I had the greatest respect for your uncle. I liked him a lot. Bill,
He was your man.
he was a good man. And I don't know, he had a heart attack up in Houghton Lake, right?
Yeah, unfortunately, they found him in a very bad way, I guess, face on water.
And his wife Josie still,
No, she's still alive, man.
will you tell her I said,
They're talking to each other.
you be sure you tell her I said hi. Mr. McZouga, try to get your life in order, will you please? Good luck to you. 40 bi-weekly, beginning December 1. If you don't have the money, call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension. I do wish you well. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
Judge, can we